In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a PayPal account onto your iPhone. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, you want to download the PayPal app, and once you've done that, you will end up right here. And you can either log in, or if you don't have an account yet, click on Don't Use PayPal Yet, Sign Up Now. So we're just going to click on that, and straight away you'll have to fill in your phone number to confirm it by sending a text. Now I'm just going to do that right now. Once you've done all that, you want to fill in an email address. So yeah, I'm just going to do that right now too. Once you've created a password and filled in an email address, you want to click on Next To, and right here you have to fill in your first name, your last name, and date of birth. And I'm just going to fill in something random just for this tutorial. And for this, make sure you are at least 18 years or older, and then click on Next. You have to fill in your address, so I'm just going to do that right now too. And then you have to agree to the PayPal's user agreement and privacy statement, and then click on create create an account. Now once you've done all that, you can straight away link a bank account to your account, but I'm just going to skip that for now, but this is recommended to do. Now I'm just going to click on skip, and then it says setting up your account, and as you can see, we have now created an account, and this is your balance and all that. And at the top again it says link a bank account or card. So yeah, that is basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.